beep, beep. Toot, toot. Beep, beep.
Bad girls, I'm talking about the sad girls, yeah. See them out on the streets at night,
Walking.
picking up on cons of strangers.
If the price is right.
You can score if your pocket's tight, but you want a good time, yeah. Don't you ask yourself who they all are. Like everybody else, they wanna be a star. The bad girls, I'm talking about the sad girls. The bad girls, I'm talking about the sad, sad girls, yeah. So don't you ask yourself who they all are, yeah. Like everybody else, they wanna be a star. Bad girl, you bad girl, you such a naughty bad girl, beep beep.
Uh-huh.
Bad girl, you bad girl, you such a naughty bad girl, beep beep.
Uh-huh.
Bad girl, you bad girl, you such a naughty bad girl, beep beep.
Ah, beep, beep. Let us hear from our judges, starting with Conroy.
Okay, so let me talk first and get out of the spat. So I like your outfit. I don't know. I didn't really get anything from that though. You tried. You were moving up and down and stuff, but it just never did anything. There was nothing there. Yeah.
Alaine.
Yes, you are beautiful, as Conroy said, but it felt, I don't know, it just felt like no energy, like you were dancing, but then it was, I don't know, it's just no connection between what you were singing and your performance. You weren't off key, you have a good voice, we've already established this, but there was nothing that was electric about, there was nothing that was bad about, like you said, whoa, that was bad. And I don't want to say it was bad, but, it could have been a lot better.
Anthony.
It was bad. It was bad. Can I check your pulse for signs of life? If you can't do justice to the song, choose something else. Every year, everybody chooses bad girls, and they're just limp squids. It don't work. Squibs. It just, choose something else. Choose something you can handle. You couldn't handle that one.
Yeah.